見てますよ。
ありがとうございます。
まさか、キスするんじゃないでしょうかね。
いや、まさか、それはさすがにないと思うんですけど。
はい。すごい番組ですね、これ。
そうなんですよね。
ね
僕も初めての、バラエティ番組で、
は
全く何していいか分かんないんですよね。
い。どうですか、バラエティは。
いや、楽しいです。
楽しいですよね。
すごい楽しいです。
は
英語も結構使って。
い。あれ、なんで喋れるんですか。
いや、僕、外国、インターナショナルスクール行ってる友達が結構多くて、で、そういう人に教えてもらったりとか。
あんなにでも喋れるって世間の人知らないんじゃないですか。そのファンの人とかはもちろん知ってるんでしょうけど。
そうですね。あんまりでも喋ったことないですね。テレビとかで。
じゃあ全然一人で海外行けたりするんですか。
海外ははい
一人で
行きます。ちょこちょこ。
すごいっすね。じゃあ例えばちょっと多めの休みがあったりしたら。
そうですね。なるべくなんか行かないと英語勉強しようって気持ちがどんどんこう薄くなっていっちゃうんで、なるべくタイミングだったらちょっとでも行ってみたいなモチベーションをキープしたい。そうなんですよ。これで誰か下に来てます。ちょっと僕迎え行ってきます。
はい
Hi. Hi, how are you? Hello. Yeah, go ahead. I'm good, but I'm surprised because I didn't expect it.
I'm sorry, we just, suddenly
we just
decided
stopped
to be
by.
here.
皆さん大変です。
は
女の子4人も来ました。
い。こんにちは、どうも。
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
すげえ
you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Oh.
So, relax.
めっちゃ受けてなんでだ。
お前がリラックスしろよみたいな感じで。
ああ、そうだ。
I've been singing and acting since 11 years old in Japan.
Wow.
なんて。
11歳から歌ったり踊ったり演技したりしてます。
あ、なるほど。11から。
Hey, how old are you?
29.
You don't look like 29.
Yeah, you look younger.
Yeah, you look much younger.
And you, how old are you?
14.
14. Wow. Nice age.
15
Yeah.
から。
15?
Since
コメディアン。
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Are you two friends? You two are friends?
no, it's
You just meet today?
third times.
Oh, wow.
We were working together. Do you know any Japanese word?
Depends.
Word?
No.
No?
No.
Konnichiwa.
Yeah, like that.
Ski. That's kawaii.
Ski?
And maybe you will teach us something from your favorite word.
Yeah,
English, favorite English word.
Japanese.
Yeah. Or Japanese.
Word you mean?
No, you guys can teach us some nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe some joke.
なんか面白い言葉とか、いい
Your favorite
日本語。
word.
いい日本語。
Yeah.
なんやろう。いい日本語。八丁味噌。
八丁味噌。八丁味噌。
八丁味噌。
八丁味噌. What does it mean?
I can't explain. It's kind of sauce, you know, spice. It's kind of spice. Do you know miso soup?
Yeah.
Yeah, miso soup.
Okay.
好きなものなんですかって聞かれて。
八丁味噌.
そう。
Maybe I should study Japanese.
Teach me something.
Okay. Now I know. 八丁味噌.
Do you guys have boyfriend?
No.
ハッチョミソ、ハッチョミソ。
So this is how you use the word. Hachimisa. And you guys?
No.
No?
You have a boyfriend?
You don't have a boyfriend?
No, sorry, I don't have girlfriend.
And you?
彼女いるので。ノ
No. What?
ー。ノー八丁味噌。
No, Why no hachimiso? No hachimiso.
I got my ticket for the long way round to buy the whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm really tomorrow, what you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
すごい。
Do you know it?
I don't know. What
Cup.
Yeah, cups.
Yes.
cups?
I got my ticket for the long way round.
知ってるこれ。
To buy the whiskey for
You know.
the way.
I've seen
And
before.
I sure I got my ticket for the long way round to buy the whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Oh, you're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Looks so fun.
Yes.
Oh,
Do you wanna?
yes, please.
They want to teach you.
Can you teach me?
Yeah, it's easy.
It's easy.
Anyone can do it. And we'll show you how. Yeah. So basically all you need is a table, cup, and your hands. And we start with clapping. Clap again. And then you just take it and put. Just make the sound. Yeah.
Okay. One more time.
Hey everyone, do you want to play cups? Okay, I'll teach you.
It's fast.
Cups tutorial. カップスは大きく2つのパートがあります。まずは前半を覚えて一つずつゆっくりいきましょう。Part 1。まずは拍手を2回。次にカップを3回叩きます。もう一度拍手。そしてカップを持ち上げて下ろします。Okay, one more. Clap, clap, hit, 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 clap, lift and drop. Good. Part 2.
まずは拍手を1回。そしてカップを逆手で掴みます。カップは逆手です。次に反対の手でカップをヒット。もう一度カップを持ち上げて反対の手でヒット。続いてカップの底でテーブルを叩きます。底です。ではここまでをおさらい。clap, reverse, hit, corner, good。続いてカップを反対の手に持ち替えて、空いている手で机を叩きます。最後にカップを手の奥に下ろして終了です。Okay, repeat after me. Clap, reverse, hit, corner, pass, stomp, drop. Exactly. それでは通してやってみましょう。Clap, clap, hit, hit, hit. Clap, lift and drop. Clap, reverse, hit, corner, pass, stomp, drop. Clap, clap, hit, hit, hit. Clap, lift and drop. Clap, reverse, hit, corner, pass, stomp, drop. OK。それではこの動きに歌を合わせていきます。できればカップを見なくてもやれるようにスピードに慣れるまで繰り返し練習しましょう。
When I'm gone.
Okay, everyone, let's do it!
When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my way. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Like that.
難しい。
Too fast.
Too fast.
So we
Slowly.
practice, and
Yeah.
faster, and then very good, and we
Very good.
sing.
And we'll sing. Okay?
Okay.
Practice, practice.
Okay, great.
Very nice.
Wow.
Very nice.
難しい。
Nice.
Good.
Good, yeah. Very fast.
You're very fast learning. Very good.
Very fast.
Student.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
you're smart.
Yeah, smart.
When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it?
I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna take you for the long way around. The one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sightseeing, but it's sure gonna be for you.
Maybe we are the faster than this one.
I think so, yeah, maybe.
I got my ticket for the long way around, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sightseeing.
So, do a few more times.
Yeah.
I got my ticket for the long way around.
Wait. It's fun. I'm having fun.
Good.
Having fun.
I'm so glad.
It must be so hard to learn though, all of a sudden.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, we just show up and then we're like, hey, can you please do the cup song? It must be hard for you.
No.
Have you done something like this before? Something that's not instruments and make music, or first time?
No, but I've been singing, so always think about rhythm.
Ah, I see.
And maybe I used to it
Oh,
to
that's good.
get the rhythm.
Makes sense.
I almost never sing or do rhythm at all, so
Oh, really?
I had to learn this, and it was a little
But
difficult.
you have an excuse. Like, I played violin for 10 years, so I should know my rhythm. I should, right? But then I'm playing them, I was like, it's hard.
It's totally difficult.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Okay.
okay.
Say it again.
よかったですね。
Gonna take you all the long way around.
うわ、すげえ。
Wow.
It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to keep you sure. But it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm
すげえ。
gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
おー、すごい。
超難しいですね、これ。
でもこれいいですね、音楽あったら。
そうです。でもこれすごい速く
This
て。
part? Oh, okay. Yeah. So before, when we were downstairs, we told him that he could be a musician because he has a very nice
Yeah.
rhythm. But he
was-
like he didn't get it, so maybe you want to translate to him.
Yeah, translate to him.
Okay, so sorry, can you say it again?
That he could be a musician because he has a very good sense of rhythm.
Oh, really?
We tried to talk it, but he didn't understand. It was like, I'm comedian.
めっちゃなんかリズム感いいし、音楽のことがいけるんじゃないですかみたいな。
え
Yeah. Do you remember we tried to say
Yeah.
to you?
We were trying to say that you can be a musician.
音楽ミュージシャンになれるよって。
いやいやいや。
すげえ。I want to be comedian.
You want to be
Because I'm not good at talking with someone, so
Really?
I envy him. いや、僕もコメディアンみたいにうまく喋れるようになりたいんだって。あんまり喋るの得意じゃないんで、
そんなことないでしょ。
羨ましいです。
So you said you're a musician, and what instruments do you play?
Japanese pop music.
Oh, what instruments you can play?
Guitar.
Only guitar?
Yeah.
Piano?
I'm interested in piano. But
No.
no.
What's your most famous song?
My famous song? My favorite song is One in a Million.
One in a million.
That's really kind of American music.
Can you sing something for us?
No.
No.
But let me no. Let me introduce. No. Let me invite you guys to my concert. Okay?
Oh, wow. That would be cool.
Yeah.
なんか歌ってって言ったからコンサートに招待するから今ちょっとね。
ああ、なるほど、なるほど。
That'd be so awesome.
Okay. Can we do 2 more times?
Sure. Two.
いやもう2回ぐらいやってそろそろ下行こうかなと思って。
なるほど。
Okay. Anytime.
Ready?
Getting nervous?
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I've got to take it the long way round to go whiskey far away. I sure would like some sweet company. I'm living tomorrow. Say
gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me round down.
楽しいこれ。
番組では皆さんのカップスビデオを大募集。ヤマピーよりカップス上手い人、ヤマピーよりカップス早い人、ヤマピーよりカップス面白い人、どしどし送ってください。採用された方には、ただいま作るかどうかはスタッフ検討中。番組特製カップがもしかしたら当たるかも。宛先は番組ホームページ、大人のキス英語で検索。